The last feature we'll talk about inside of views is the sections. Airtable probably added this feature a year ago, and I just remember being so excited about being able to organize my views better. You can already see in our tasks table we have quite a few views. There are a couple of calendar views, there's a few grid views, and very often what clients encounter is they'll end up having 20, 30, 50 different views. So now what you can do is create a section. You can call a section high-level views, project management views, assignee views, personal views. Think of them like folders to help organize your views. So I'll create a section called my calendar views and then move all of my calendar views into that section. To move it, you want to click on the 6 dots to the right and start dragging your calendar view. Once that's done, you can also click on the little drop down to the left of the section name and collapse or expand that section. So now you can see how you can easily organize perhaps 50 different views into 5 sections that can be collapsed or shown, depending on who needs to use it and at what point. So please make use of sections. They are really helpful. And I think if the only difference between Airtable Free and Airtable Pro is sections, I would still pay for Airtable Pro just because I need some sanity back in my life. I'm not trying to plug Airtable Pro. I'm just saying there are some helpful features that you might eventually want to consider. We just finished the information on views. That's really awesome because it's really going to help your team members learn how to filter and sort and bring out the most relevant information to them. When you're familiar with views and trying to onboard a team, it's super helpful to actually go through a session with your team, get everybody to be hands-on and working within views. Get people to create their own views, hide and show certain fields, filter multiple different ways, and really get them familiar with how views work. It's going to make their life and day much faster, and it's going to really just help them find the information that they need when they need it. Thanks for investing in your own knowledge base. I'm Cherry Yang, the founder of Claribase. We're going to be releasing our flagship course, Airtable Mastery, for free. In the course, you can find over 100 videos on topics like design, integration, automations, and interfaces. It's perfect for the Airtable champion who wants to build their database right the first time. You can sign up for the course at the link down below.